Welcome back to Best Cars Model Asterisk, your number one destination for exclusive, high-end car content from around the world. Today, we're taking you inside one of the boldest statements in luxury engineering, the Asterisk 2026 Rolls-Royce off-road SUV ***, a perfect fusion of elegance and unstoppable power. From first glance, the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce off-roader demands attention. Sculpted with a muscular stance, a bold front grille featuring the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, and a matte midnight sapphire finish, this SUV is a masterpiece on wheels. But the real magic, it's inside. Step into a cabin that redefines futuristic luxury. Soft-touch diamond-stitched leather seats wrap around you, while ambient lighting dances across the dashboard and ceiling. The panoramic electrochromic roof features Rolls-Royce's signature starlight effect, now voice-activated. Tech lovers, get ready. A full-width curved OLED screen runs across the dash, powered by Rolls-Royce's new AI copilot that learns your preferences over time. The augmented reality HUD, haptic controls, and crystal gear selector create a cockpit experience unlike anything else on or off the road. Rear passengers enjoy personal entertainment displays, cooled massage seats, and a built-in champagne fridge, because why not bring first-class comfort to the backroads? The 2026 Rolls-Royce off-road SUV isn't just a luxury vehicle, it's a rolling sanctuary built for adventure. And trust us, this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe ***, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another masterpiece right here on Best Cars Model ***. See you in the next ride.